Hello viewers, welcome to sharing experiences. And as I'm new to Germany, here I want to show you the new things what I see in the supermarkets. There are a number of supermarkets available in Germany. They are Aldi, Rewe, Netto, then Lidl. They have chains also. So today I came in Aldi and I have some other snacks also from Rewe and Accenta. I have already wear my mask because without mask you are not allowed in any of the shops. Only necessary item shops are open. Other shops are closed till 10th of January. I have to take the trolley. So these trolleys will be locked. I have to unlock it with coins of 50 cent, 1 euro or 2 euro. How much it is mentioned above the trolley. So now it is unlocked and I can take it. I have this bag with pills. This I can keep under the trolley. There is space. So this bag is useful because you don't have to carry only. Pills can help you to carry your luggage. So next we went to Accenta. Any items you are taking from this section, you have to measure the weight and you have to collect the sticker for the price by yourself. We will be doing our measurement by own. This is to show you that there will be no person to help you. You have to do your own work because labor is very much chargeable here. So you have to fill the necessary places and you will get your sticker and the price. Price will be written below of the items. No MRP or manufacturing date will be written on the products. Only the expiry date which will be mentioned. Any of the food items. This is the bottle disposal machine available in every supermarket for water bottle, cold drink bottle, beer can. Once you will return the bottles, you will get the refund amount adjusted in your bill. Back to Aldi again. Wheat flours has code number mentioned on the packet. You can buy as per your requirement. Once you will keep your items on the running belt, you can separate the items with a barrier. Now I have filled my bag with all the daily needs from the. Now my bag is ready. Once I will return my trolley, I will lock it again and I will get my coin back. This system is because the customer will keep the trolleys at proper place and it will not misplace. So and I am ready to go. Thanks for watching.